Hello everyone and welcome to the American University of Ras Al Khaimah. This is Hala Hamza, majoring Mass Communication. We are here today to discuss COP28 with my colleagues. Can you guys please introduce yourselves?
Hey, my name is Ahmed Malahbji and I'm majoring in Mechanical Engineering.
Hello, my name is Sarah and I'm majoring in Computer Engineering.
Hello everyone, my name is Rina Ahmed and I'm majoring in Mass Communication.
Hi everyone, my name is Nadia and I'm majoring in Chemical Engineering.
Okay, so for the first question, how has the United Arab Emirates positioned itself in terms of climate change action?
I do think that the UAE has strategically established itself as one of the main contributors in this field by doing multiple things actually. It has hosted one of the most sustainable expos ever, and it actually connected minds and created a sustainable future. And it raised awareness about such important topics that we didn't know about earlier. Along with the annual events and competitions that the country hosts yearly, such as WETEX and Dubai and Abu Dhabi Sustainability Week. The UAE also invests and explores in a lot of ways to produce energy sustainably and using new technologies such as solar energy. So there is this site in Abu Dhabi that's called the Noor site, which is one of the largest solar parks in the region. They use it to produce electricity, as well as the Masdar city in Abu Dhabi, which is a city that is powered by renewable energy.
Yes.
On top of this, the UAE is also looking into using renewable sources for renewable energy instead of burning more fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels, there are gas emissions that come from burning these fossil fuels to greenhouse gases, which we don't want in our atmosphere. But on top of that problem, they've also developed carbon capture systems where they capture the carbon directly from the industries and store it in underground geological formations.
Have you ever experienced visiting these places and these sites here in UAE?
I personally did visit Expo 2020 and I was impressed by what they had to offer.
Yeah, it was great. Okay guys, for the second question, what do you think the key climate challenges here in the UAE and how the government is addressing these challenges?
I believe that one of the key challenges, climate challenges that the UAE is facing, the rising sea levels, in which the UAE is contributing to solve this problem by planting 300 million trees to act as a natural barrier against the rising sea levels. The second unique challenge that the UAE is facing is the extreme heat and humidity.
So adding to what Rina said, extreme heat has always been a challenge in the UAE, and for the UAE to solve such a challenge, they have reversed to the cooling systems. The cooling systems that are implemented nowadays and for the past couple of years require a lot of energy. And the energy has been utilized from the burning of the fossil fuels. And as we all know, fossil fuels are non-renewable resources of energy, which lead to pollution and global warming on the long run.
So as a solution to the challenge that Sarah has mentioned, we can switch to the renewable energy, for example, using solar panels, and also cloud seeding, which is an innovative technique that the UAE is adapting in order to enhance the weather and climate in general.
Okay, for the third question, what role can universities in the UAE play in advancing the climate action and sustainability?
Of course, all the universities in the UAE are aware of the vision of sustainability and acting on it. For example, most of the universities are planning for future plans to happen by 2030, 7 years, to actually achieve some of the goals, like for example, reducing or even eliminating the in-campus transportation, and also providing or adding programs, undergraduate, graduate, and even PhD programs in topics related to sustainability and the use of green energy.
And actually, AURAK offers a master's degree in sustainable and renewable energy.
Yeah, that's true. And through such a program, the students can participate in research projects in collaboration with other universities that are also sustainable partners with the COP28.
I do also think that universities can collaborate with universities here in the region and international institutes to share knowledge and work on projects that promote sustainability, such as the COI collaboration, for example. It is a program that we're doing with Wayne State University in the US in chemistry, where we talk about sustainability and we try looking for solutions to solve such issues and challenges.
Actually, I'm curious, like, is it different, their vision and mission between here in the UAE and the US about like climate change and all of that?
Yeah, so there are slight differences, but the purpose, the main goal is the same, is to live in sustainable nations and to find solutions and to tackle climate change problems.
Okay, for our last question, how have universities been involved in climate research?
So as we've mentioned before, the universities are planning to focus on research projects that tackle the sustainability topic and also the use of renewable energy. For example, here in AURAK, we're working currently on a research that tackles the solar panels and how will this affect the growth of plants. Also, the universities are participating in competitions and forums. For us as AURAKers, we're participating in the youth session in the COP28 and also in the Expo Life competition with 2 teams.
It's interesting that you mentioned that because I was actually a part of one of those 2 teams, and my team and I had the chance to present our project, which is the design of a tubular photobioreactor for microalgae growth and CO2 sequestration.
Oh, congratulations on that. It's something great. How you felt like being in something big like this here in the
I
UAE?
felt really honored that our project got accepted and also proud of myself and my teammates for achieving what we achieved so far with that project.
This was it for today's discussion. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this, and we're so honored and proud of being part of COP28 in this amazing initiative, and we're so proud to be a part of saving our planet. This was Hala Hamza from the American University of Ras Al Khaimah.